In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot of your Google Drive, whether you're looking to capture the layout of your folders or simply need to document the structure of your files. Taking a screenshot can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you have an easy and clear understanding of how to do this. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Simply type in the URL drive.google.com and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now let's move on to capturing your screen. The simplest way to do this on most computers is by using the built-in screenshot feature. However, in this guide, I'll show you a unique way of saving your Google Drive as a PDF, which not only captures the visible parts of your screen, but the extended area you might need for documentation purposes. This can be done easily with a few keyboard shortcuts. Once you're set on the Google Drive homepage, press the Control key and the letter P on your keyboard simultaneously. If you're using a Mac, you would use Command instead of Control. This key combination is a shortcut to open the print dialog box. Now this might seem a bit unusual since we're talking about screenshots, but trust me, it's a very versatile method. In the print dialog box, you'll see various options. What you want to do is change the destination of your print output. Look for an option that says Save as PDF. Select this and now you've set your Google Drive screen to be saved as a PDF document. This acts like a screenshot but allows for much more flexibility, as it captures more than just the visible section on your screen. Before you save, double check that everything you want to capture is visible on your preview. This is important because what you see in the preview will be exactly what you find in your PDF file. If everything looks good to go ahead and click Save. Once you hit save, you'll be prompted to choose a file location and name for your PDF. Choose a spot on your computer where you will easily find it later, and give your file a distinctly recognizable name. That is all there is to it. You now have a PDF file of your Google Drive homepage, which can serve as a comprehensive screenshot. This method can be particularly useful if you need to share your Google Drive layout with someone else, or if you want to keep a record of your files and folders for future reference. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found this method helpful and that it enhances the way you manage and view your files. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy screenshotting and see you in the next video.